All right, y'all boys. Let me tell y'all boys how I caught a $1,700 trade and then sold, my nigga. So yeah, we ended up going break even for today. I'm going to title this 1,700 because the nigga did catch that trade, but I ended up losing today because I oversized and just took too many trades when I should have stopped and kept a little bit of profits. Um, so yeah, last night Asia session, sniper trade last night. I called it out in my Discord server. Of course, if you want to learn from a young nigga, hit me up. But yeah, though. First off, like I told y'all plenty of times, Power 3. We all know this accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and that's what we have here. Uh, I was looking for us to tap into this. I'm pretty sure this was a 15-minute fair value gap right here as well. No, it wasn't. Never mind. I lied. I think it's a 1-minute fair value gap I have marked out. Let me see. Nah, this I just had this OB, this 1-minute OB. It lined up with a 15-minute gap right here, right? Um, Perfect. This is what you want to see. Um, yeah. So why did I decide to take this trade? Of course, we have the sweep of liquidity. We also lined up with standard deviation of this range up here. Um, so let me show y'all what I mean. So this is our manipulation leg. You can drag it down. You want to typically get it to where it, like, let's go to the 15-minute. I think is that the 15-minute or that 1 hour, something like that. And as you can see, this lined up with our uh perfectly with our 2.25, right? Lined up perfectly with this area. So I wanted to see this, have a reaction to it. So of course we got the reaction that we wanted. Going back to the 1 minute, I typically now I don't even like enter off of the 1 minute no more. I enter off of the 5. This occasionally, you feel me? Not all the time do I enter off of just the straight 1 minute, but we did end up inversing this candle right here. This showed me, but I get in before before we get that little inverse or whatever. You get what I'm saying? So I get a little bit of profit. But if I did enter, even if I would have entered in right here, would still ran off the TP. So it doesn't really matter where I would have entered in on this candle. Yeah though. So we inversed this and that showed me that okay, buying pressure is coming in, and we ended up riding straight up to TP. You know what I'm saying? Riding straight up to TP. Now, today, like that was Asia session last night. I held this trade from like when the market opened up again, I think. Yeah, like an hour, like at 6:35 for me. 6:20, no, yeah, 6:30 for me. So 7:30 Eastern time. Held this trade, and Asia session opened up at 7 o'clock for me, right? So held this for 30 minutes before the market opened up. We ended up pushing up even more during Asia session, showing me that my bias was correct. We did have bullish price action that I would like to see. Boom. Okay. Now first, I think I took a sell trade right here. I ended up getting wicked out, and it ended up playing right in my direction, which is crazy. I was just trying to go for I just wanted simple $800, some slack. I wasn't going for nothing crazy. I wasn't even aiming for this whole move down here, which I could have, but I didn't go for that, right? I wasn't even planning on going. I was just going to get $800, get off the charts for the day. I ended up getting wicked out right here. Boom, that was an L. Okay, cool. Get off for the market for the day. It is what it is. Today, chop a reap, my nigga. We get chopped all day today, right? So boom, I enter in for buys like around in this area. Boom, stopped out. $300 gone. Okay. I wait again. Nose like over here, right? I'm like, dang, I was not. We instantly dumped. Okay, cool. All right. Let me just wait for us to, get the little pullback again. So we got a pullback right here at this green candle. I'm like, okay, we might push back up. Boom, stopped out again. Okay, now I'm back to break even, and it was crazy. I don't know if those were the exact entries. Of course, I'm gonna have the live trading of me losing in the market today at the end of the video, stuff like that, so y'all boys can see it for yourself, me losing. But yeah, that is essentially what happened. We ended up taking these these 3 L's back to back to back, which I'm not really too upset that we took these L's because, like I said, we're break even for today, so it's nothing crazy. With this loss, we didn't lose anything. But if I would have held my trades, and I'm not even upset because The thing is, the trade direction or the trades that I was going for, I was just right. I was right. The market, I'm not gonna say the market. My entry just was completely wrong. Like here, if I would have waited for us to sweep Asia lows, got in at the inverse, boom, straight TP in 10 minutes. If I would have just been a little bit more patient, TP. All of my money that I lost from from that trade last night, I would have made that back plus some more for the trade I made the other day. So it was just constant. It was the back-to-back losing that ended up making me go down, which is cool. It's nothing to really complain about. I did want to see us. We ended up taking these highs up here, which I did want to see. Now I wanted to see us actually come up and tap this high up here, because if we zoom out, well, now that I showed y'all this video, I can delete all of these drawings. That's the only reason I had them. All right, but yeah, if we zoom out, like go to the 1 hour time frame, as y'all boys can see, we're just in this choppery, right? Like right now we're just chopping like crazy. You know what I'm saying? So I wanted to see us come above these highs, take out these highs. So I got this, of course, marked out. So if you do get to see this video, if you want to watch this trade with me, we can watch our play. I do want to end up saying something like something kind of like this. The reason I got this too is because it lines up with standard deviation. That's a 1 hour or OB. No, that isn't what I'm looking for. Let's go to the 15-minute. Yep, that's it right there. Yep, standard deviation. That kind of lines up with standard deviation. Something like this. I'm gonna be looking for some in this range up here. Some in this range. Hold on. Ooh, okay. Some in this range to be taking the trade. So I'm just hoping we can get that push and then that dump. Last time I had a trade set out like this, though, we ended up missing it because of it ended up playing out at 1 o'clock in the morning. Hopefully we don't have that today. But yeah, this is what I definitely want to see us come out and take all of these relatively equal highs up here. We got a lot of buy side liquidity that we should take out, and then I want to see us sell back downwards. Yeah, that's kind of what I want to see. Oh, market just opened back up, and we opened up green today. Perfect. So yeah, boys, that is it. I'm gonna play the me trading, the actual video of me trading and stuff like that. The L's, I didn't record the wins because I wasn't home. It was Asia session. I was out. I wasn't at my desk, but I did record the losses and stuff like that. So I'll let y'all see me losing trades. It is what it is. God loves y'all boys though. I'll catch y'all in another video. Peace out. Oh snap. I don't like that selling pressure. Alright, good. We just got tapped in. See how we move. Let's see how we get. Let's see how we go. We're getting buying pressure all day. It is the macro time right now as we speak. So we're just gonna let this bad boy play out. See, we get some buying pressure. We've been chopping during NASDAQ. ES has been climbing though. That's all that matters. Oh, it's not screen for us. This could be GG's right here. Could not. I'm gonna be honest. Yo, that's GG. Oh my goodness. See, I lost more than I was supposed to. That's so annoying. Oh, I lost way more. I lost like $400 right there. I'm supposed to only lose three. Wow. Is this what we want to see? Yeah, knocked out these lows, tapped in the what's it called? Yeah, this is what we want to see. This is what we want to see. But do we got SMT? Yeah, we got SMT here. This is what we want to see. Be honest, this is what I want to see. I'm gonna go back in, same amount, same exact trade. Same exact trade. Wanting the same thing. Buys again. Want us to get buying pressure back in the market. Let's just see how it play out. It's cool. We might have had a bad entry right there. You're not gonna let it affect this next trade. Don't be scared to get back in. We might just have heavy selling pressure. And if we do, that's understandable. I'll take my L there. But I do want to see us take buys. We have SMT at those lows, so that low is protected. Probably jumped in a little too early, but if we can get some buying pressure back into the market though, that'd be great. But don't look like we're gonna be getting that right now. Market is very volatile. Like I said, just give us that push that we need. We'll be a-okay. I was gonna explain why I got in the trade, but this GG's. It's hard to explain when the market is playing with your feelings like this, man. When the market's playing with your feelings like this. We did just sweep these lows over here. Like if I could show y'all boys. Well, I wanna wait. Let's wait to see what this does. GG's. Oh. Whoa. Our stop was just below that. Oh. Still might be GG's. Still might be GG's though. Just gave us a little longer to suffer, huh? If we can get above these highs, we're a-okay. Oh my goodness. Yo, what? If we could keep pushing up, we straight. Yeah, like we're good if we could keep going up. But let's just see, man. Market is doing what it want to do. So I'm just a trader. Take my hands out of it. I'm just a trader. I can't do nothing more than just watch when I get in the trade. Market is very choppy though. It's not giving us like, what's that word, like good price act. I mean, not good. It's the price action is not moving how it normally move. You feel me? Like, and if I would have known we was gonna be like this today, I would have traded micros instead of trading minis. But it's okay. Now, do y'all see these candles? It's showing me that it's buying pressure in this area. We just swept lows. There we go. Okay, now let's see if we can get that buying pressure back up to the upside. Just shoot me up. That's what we need. We just need to be shot up real quick. It's like it doesn't know. It's like buyers and sellers are fighting right now. Like it's a war going on between them. But while we waiting, let's go over this for the YouTube. Well, nah, let's just wait and watch. It might be yeah, that's GG's. GG's. I should have got out of that break even. It's cool though. I'm still wondering how I'm not tapped out. Okay. GG's. We are down for the day. We did end up losing that. It's understandable though, man. L's happen. Um, obviously, when I guess it was a fake out. I thought we were going to push back up off of this breaker structure on ES. ES was printing out, bullish price action. So I was expecting us to keep, give us some bullish price action, lined up with standard deviation. Like all of my confluences lined up. We swept liquidity right here, push back up. This was a lot. Lined up with OTE of this range. Oh snap! I did OTE wrong. Still lined up with OTE of this range though. Lined up with OTE of this range. Yeah, we're down on the day. It's cool though, man. We'll take that L. What I just lost was I ended up losing more than I was supposed to. I lost 700 when both of these trades. Even if I would have lost both of them, I would have still been up like $50 for the day. But I had a little bit of slippage, so we lost more than we were supposed to. So kind of we down on the day. It's cool though, man. It is what it is. Stuff like this happens. We'll trade another day.